This is the last Vlogmas of 2020. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Merry Christmas, guys. What's up, guys? If you guys never subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe today. Make that be my Christmas gift. All right, guys, so today is Christmas. I woke up late. I'm about to go grab my family so we can open up some little gifts that I got for them, and then we're gonna eat breakfast. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Put on white. I don't know, my families, they're just taking long to come down to open gifts, so whatever. I'm just gonna celebrate by myself. I'm gonna be drinking some eggnog and I'm gonna put some whipped cream on top. You know, gonna get married by myself. This Christmas is like extremely different, so it's whatever. You know what, have to be thankful for life. Things don't always go like how it normally goes, but it's okay. Let's see if there's even any more in here. Oh my god. Ah, it's a fail. It's a fail. There's no more in here. So I'm gonna be opening up my gifts now. I got myself gifts, and then let me just sit on the ground. So I got myself gifts, and then my best friend bought me a gift and my mom bought me a gift. So that's what I'm opening up right now. I'm gonna open up my best friend's gift first, and it is in this bag. This is from Tashe. She put a poinsettia at the top because she didn't have no tissue paper, so she didn't want me to see inside. So now I am opening it up. Ooh, she knows that I love makeup, you know. So she got me a NYX Shine Killer primer, and she got the matte finish spray. I love this spray. If you guys can see it, I love this spray. I haven't tried the primer yet, so I'm excited to try it. And look at the box, so cute. Oh, so sweet. Honestly, guys, I'm always thankful for anything, because you know what, when it comes to gift, people don't have to give you a gift. So anything that you get, be grateful for it, right? Oh, she bought me Japanese cherry blossom, guys. This is like one of my top favorite Bath and Body Works spray. So I'm glad for this. I was trying to get it the other day, but it was sold out when we were having the Bath and Body Care. So thank you, Tashe. Love it. And then Blood Seed. She bought me new makeup brush. She bought me new makeup brushes. Oh my god. You guys, you know how much I needed new makeup brushes? Oh my god. And it's Barbie, guys. Pink. Oh my god. Let me read what it comes with. It comes with a powder brush, a cheek brush, a fluffy eyeshadow brush, an eyeshadow packer brush, and an angle liner brush. Guys, I am so excited. Oh my god. I don't even want to rip off this packaging. I have to open it. open it. I'm so excited for this. Maybe I'll be inspired to do my makeup even more. Okay. Because I know you guys noticed that I don't really wear makeup that much. Oh my god. I'm here ruining the pack. Okay, I am not trying to like... Okay. I open things very bad, guys. I open things very bad. I'm excited for this. And the packaging for this is so cute. Okay, now. I need scissors. I don't want to ruin this even more. Look what I did. Right, look at that. The packaging is so cute. I'm so happy for this. Oh my, yo guys, the brushes are, yo, the brushes are sick. Blood seed. Guys, look at this. Oh my god, I'm in love, guys. I am in love. Look how cute that is. Oh my god, and it has glam. You guys know I love glam. I'm so happy for this. Thank you so much, Tasha, if you watch this video. Mwah. Although I'm gonna tell you already. Thank you so much. I love my present. I am so glad for this. Thank you so much. I love this. I love this. And it's glamified and it's pink. You know, I'm loving this. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's open my gift that I bought for myself. So, God, it's so hard to just be on the ground, guys. I don't know how you guys like to be on the ground. So, I got these two gifts for myself, and one of my mom's gifts, she put it, I put it in here. She just handed it to me and I put it in here because she never had a card to put what she bought me into, so I just put it in this box. So, let's open this box first. Okay, let's see what I bought myself and what my mom bought me. Okay, mommy. Blood seed. Guys, so you know I love to travel. She got me an Air Canada gift card so I can put it towards my traveling. Aww. And she put a good amount on it. I'm so happy for this, guys. I'm so grateful. And then what I bought myself, I'm acting like I didn't know. I bought myself a pink sugar perfume set. Yes, this smells so good. I love this scent. I really do. And that is for that. So I am so thankful for this. Like, I'm so thankful for this. If you're a traveler, you will be thankful for an airline gift card. So thank you, mommy, and thank you, me. So this is my last gift to myself. And I know what it is already, acting like I don't know. Okay. Ooh, I got myself a Guess perfume set. I love the way how this smells. It's so lovely. It's so amazing, guys. I have so much perfume. If you guys want me to do like a perfume collection video, I will surely do that. But yes, I'm glad for this. I bought it for myself, but I'm glad. So yes, guys. My gifts are so nice. I love them. I'm thankful for every one of my gifts because it's COVID. Nobody has to buy no gift, you know, because money hard to come by this year. So I'm so thankful for everything that I got this year. So guys, I'm so thankful for my gifts, as I said before. Thank you so much, myself, mommy, and Tasha. I'm so thankful. But guys, it's not about the gifts that you have under your tree, but it's the people who you celebrate it with. And also be thankful for life, because you never have to be here today, right? So we're thankful for all those things and we're grateful, and you know. But yeah, since I opened up my gifts right now, I'm gonna go eat some breakfast. Hopefully later on, the rest of the family, they come down here and open up their gifts. But yeah, I'm just proceeding with the day. In a Jamaican household, in Jamaica, Christmas is not really about gifts and stuff like that. It's more about like celebration and just being with family and eating good food. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm gonna eat some nice food. This is my Jamaican Christmas breakfast. I got ackee and saltfish, fried dumpling, fried plantain, and sorrel. Guys, watch my must-have Jamaican meals on Christmas Day video. You guys would know that this was on the list. So this is my Christmas breakfast. So yes, guys, we have more sorrel. Jamaican Christmas style. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I'm not really doing nothing today. I was just doing some waxing and stuff on my auntie. So now I'm gonna just put on a little bit of makeup, not too much, and just put on my my little Christmas outfit for in the house, just to feel a little bit festive. Everybody's just not in the mood today. Someone was supposed to be here, and due to unforeseen circumstances, they couldn't be with us. So we're kind of feeling a bit sad, but we're not gonna make that stop us. So I'm gonna just kind of get merry. So in the next clip, you're gonna see me with makeup on. Okay, guys. It's my Christmas makeup. The outfits. This was from my Shein haul. So I'm about to take some pictures up my stairs and around the Christmas tree and stuff like that. So I'll probably insert one picture in this clip, and then after that we're gonna have dinner and yeah, just all of that. Even though we're in the house, we're just still prettying up ourselves, right? So okay. So we have my mom looks so beautiful. She looks pretty. Alright, good as. This is the only time you get my mom to like broke out because she look nice. I'm a twin though. Look pan twin. But look pan twin. Oh. Jerk, fried chicken, turkey. I have turkey, jerk chicken, fried chicken, pasta salad, curry goat, rice and peas. Yeah. We're about nothing. I play more than that's my nice sorrel to drink. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna eat my Christmas dinner, and yeah. I'm trying to have as much fun as I can. I drank a little bit too much sorrel and now I feel kind of frost. I'm there I drink Bambino. I saw it do it Jamaican style. Come on through. Come dance with me. Yeah.
Here's nice. Come, I see a thing. This is reality and not a story. One touch it.
I bought for my mom's Christmas gift, for one of her Christmas gifts, and so she can put her cake stuff on it, so she's more organized. Guys, I am ending off the vlog right now. Everybody drink, they get a little bit, you know, tipsy and lit. So it's time to pop off the wig, take off the makeup, take off the clothes, come at. But wow, I can't believe I vlogged. Well, I'm not gonna say 25 days because I did miss, I think 2 days I missed. But Vlogmas, definitely. This was my first Vlogmas and I am proud of myself. I actually made content every single day. Like, I cannot believe. So I'm proud of myself. And if you guys have been watching my vlogs from Vlogmas, and if you're a person that's been watching every single one of my vlogs for this Vlogmas, big up yourself. big up your damn self because you never have to. So big up yourself. But yes, guys, Christmas is not the same this year, but we still have to try and live it up. We have to be thankful because we got life, right? So yes, guys, this is the end of Vlogmas. I'm gonna relax for a bit, for a couple days or so, probably next week, and then I'll have more videos, more content, and all of that, guys. So big up on your damn self. Like this video, comment down below, share with no mother, no father, no sister, no brother, no uncle, no auntie, no everybody, yeah? And stay tuned for the next video. I'm out.